The other day, a friend of mine reached out to me and said he was getting tagged on Facebook without his consent. So I know that feeling can be really annoying. If you want to know how to block tags that you do not need, I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. Keep watching. Click on Facebook icon. It takes you your profile. Click on the three bucket sign by the right and click on settings. It takes you here where you see everything you need to play around with. We're looking for profile and tagging. Click on profile and tagging. It takes you everything you can play around with. Now, who can post on your profile? I click on friends. And who can see what other post on your profile? I click on everyone. Wait for the good part, and then allow others to share your post to their story. Of course, please share my post. And then you go down to tagging. Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile? I click on friends and friends. You can change that if you want to. You can change it to everyone or only me or friends, whatever you feel like. And then when you're tagged, who can see it? So I say friends or friends. Who do you want to add to your audience or to the post if they can't already see it? So just friends. Okay, then we go to reviewing. So this is where Facebook allows you to approve or disapprove whatever you're being tagged on. So if you click toggle on the button, it means whatever you're tagged on, you get to say yes or no. And then review what people see on your profile. You get to turn it on so people don't just post links that are not compliant with your belief or your message. I hope that makes sense. Try it now. Did you learn something new? If you did, leave a comment below and do not forget to follow. And then if you don't have time to watch it just now, save the video for later so you can always come back to it and watch it at your own convenient time. And do not forget to share this video with somebody who you think might need it. And yes, let me know what you want to see in my next video. I will see you in my next social media tip to help you do social media easily. My name is Overilai on all social media platforms. Bye.